I'm sure that everybody who's entered a formula into Excel at some stage or other would have got the following error. There's obviously something wrong with the syntax that we need to fix. And the only way to get out of this edit mode of the cell is to actually fix the error, or the alternative is delete all your hard work and have to start again. So if you at any stage need to come out of that edit mode but still want to be able to keep what you've done so far, the clue to this is in the error that Excel gives you itself. So you'll see here there's a problem with this formula. I'm not trying to type a formula. Well, if the first character is an equal sign, then you're saying it is a formula. So to get around this, if you're wanting to put in equals and not do a formula, put in an apostrophe. That's not quite what we're trying to achieve. We want a formula, but we're going to use that little clue there to hoodwink Excel into thinking this is actually text. So I put an apostrophe in the front, press enter. Thinking that is text, it simply displays the syntax of the formula instead of trying to calculate it. At this point, I can carry on working in my spreadsheet. I can even save and close the file. I can then reopen it, and when I've got a clear mind or a little bit more time, I can then attempt to fix this formula. And on close inspection, I have a delimiter in my formula missing. Just a simple little comma there to fix it. Press enter. That formula is now good to go, giving me a client description, and I can then replicate that down and use that formula that I've now edited. It's a very nice little Excel life hack to push pause on creating a formula, coming back, editing it, and still keeping all your hard work that you did beforehand.